welcome to my YouTube channel. This was my first video, and yeah, let's see. I don't have a lot going on today, so we'll just see. Example, yeah, I got nothing going on, chilling here, waiting for the session to start so that we can get into the market. Right now I'm waiting, so in about an hour I'm gonna go on the charts, and I'm chilling here waiting for someone to come chill with me. So we got Nasdaq over here, and then this is a 1 hour fair value gap. Potentially we can see price dig into it and then move to the upside to take out this high and initially the buy side liquidity right there, but I don't think it will be taken today, but I allow it. And then looking at US 30, there's also the same concept. That row is the same. As you can see, there's a 1 hour fair value gap there. Let me remove this. There's a small little 1 hour fair value gap. It's inside my new day opening gap. There's it there. So I'm gonna allow for price to come into that and then potentially go to the upside, rebalance all this movement right there. But then we're gonna wait for price. We swept liquidity. We can come in one more time to clear this one's, the previous day's low. We can come in one more time to clear that and then go to the upside. But then let's see how it will go with this one. The market is in a consolidation right now. This is US 30. This kind of market is pretty hard to like predict, and it's pretty hard to see where, and it's not also clear where price is going. But then percentage wise, between bullish and bearish, I'll be more bullish than bearish, because we took out sell side, tapped into a weekly fair value gap. So I'd want to be bullish on this currently. But then currently we have a consolidation right there, and then this is the type of market where you'd wanna sit on your hands and wait for the market to tell you what to do. This one right here is US 500. Some may know it as S&P, Standard & Poor, and then we have a 1 hour fair value gap below market price. So what I'd want to see like is if the market clears these highs, like go above these two highs. As you can see, they are relatively equal. It's buy side liquidity right there. So if it goes above it and then comes back into it, I would trade this and potentially trade the buys that will come in after tapping this 1 hour fair value gap. Same concept on Nasdaq. If it takes out this high and then comes back into the range, if it goes above it and then comes back to clear this low right here and this low right here, and then ultimately tap into the hourly fair value gap that is unmitigated. The equity is open. It's about to hit in 2 minutes or 1 minute and a few seconds. So that's from there on. I want to see action. Like I want to see highs being taken out like rapidly. You see momentum, if you want to call it that, or speed injected in the marketplace, something like that, So yeah, currently there's really no movement. As you can see, US 30 is starting to move right now. If you look at the candles, they're starting to move fast. You see they're jumping from one place to another, leaving gaps. If you look at this, closed here, opened here, closed here, opened there, that's a gap. It is the equity open. It's going to happen in about a few seconds from now. Right now it's 9:29. There you see speed being injected in the market. There it flies. So yeah, let's see. So this can be seen as a part of 3 move: consolidation, manipulation to the upside, taking out buy side liquidity right there, and then we might see a reversal. But I don't think it will offer an entry. This is just 30. It's pretty volatile when it's equity open, so I think it will just shoot down. I don't know from until where, but we have sell side right here, that can be targeted, but that is not my way I'm looking at. And then let's look at Nasdaq and the S&P, you know. So S&P also, we took out buy side. That's pretty neat. You see those highs that I was looking for, we took them now. And then I'm going to potentially look for if it offers an entry into the hourly fair value gap. And then Nasdaq also probably the same. We cleared that high right there, but I want to see whether it will like go to the upside a little more, potentially into this purple shaded area, and then drop. You see this low and this low, they are relatively equal. Something to look at. And then yeah, now we wait, but it's gonna offer setup soon. Today there's no news on the what's the thing, the calendar, the economic calendar. There is no USD news, so it can be choppy. Like it can like consolidate until like yesterday, and then you can see proper price action in the PM session. So we just hope for good price action right now. See yesterday, just as I explained, that you're probably gonna take out buy side, make a power of 3 kind of move, like consolidation, manipulation, and then distribute. As you can see, like we took out the buy side and went straight to the hourly fair value gap. That was my draw, and then below that I don't have a draw on liquidity. But if it offers an entry, so this would be the draw. If like it offers an entry for a bearish entry, if I see like bearish order flow, then this would be the target. But then if it just shoots down, then I'm gonna be missing all of that, you know. Like right now, as you can see, it's dropping. It's dropping, you know. If it comes back into this, probably then I would sell and then take out the sell side, which is the London low. So I wanted to take sales on US30. You see this fair value gap right here. So this candlestick, this one, makes the fair value gap. The pink area, just look at the pink box. So I wanted to take sales if it digs a little deeper into that for my risk to reward to be like reasonable. But then we tapped the low of it, and then we are seeing rejections from there. But then if I miss this, it's fine. I'm not really interested in this one, because yeah, it doesn't look too good. But I think it's gonna come here. The level is that I think it's gonna like come down there, because that's an obvious sell entry. And there's a possible sell here. I'm gonna take a sell on US 500 right now. Oh shoot, man. So like that, I'm gonna take sell, targeting this 1 hour fair value gap as I mentioned. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So this is Nasdaq. I'm looking for bearish prices just like those two. This is Nasdaq. So you see this purple fair value gap, I want to see price break below it and then use it as an inversion fair value gap. So it's going to be something like this. It's going to go down, come back into it, and then I'm going to sell the return into the inversion fair value gap. US30 completed the run. I missed the entry because it didn't give me a valid, if I may use the word, risk to reward, you know. My aim was the sell side right there, and then look at my stop loss would be somewhere around here. So would have been 1:2. I should have checked, but then I didn't. That's not what I wanted to see. You see how clean that was? That would have been, didn't happen, you know. But then it made the sell side. Then I'm done with that. I'm gonna look at the other pairs right now. I took a sell here, and then I just got stopped out on US 500. I took the wrong trade actually. Shiro took what's that, US30, but then yeah, we're gonna look for more opportunities to trade the market today. I believe it's gonna offer some opportunities, but then I think I'm done for the day, you know. I'm just gonna let it run and see whether will I get more entries or not. Nasdaq is really flying. I also tried to take a sell here and then got stopped out immediately. The stop loss was very tight. As you can see, I sold on this one, then got stopped out on this candlestick. So it was really quick, and I like the energetic move to the upside. But then I wanted to see this happen after taking out these lows right here. but the market is the market. You gotta respond to what it says. Then US30, let's see what it is offering. Also looking to push to the upside after taking out that sell side liquidity. Let's see what happens. Nasdaq keeps on going higher, and I think that will sum up my trading day. So I'm gonna just call it peace till we meet again.